Windy Windows family, we are back with another satisfying clean. This one is just so much fun to watch, and the after photos are incredible. Hey everyone, this is Michael with Windy Windows. Yeah, we are going to go ahead and get started with this clean. First off, this client has been with me for about 3 years now, probably 2.5. This is the 5th or 6th clean, if I can't recall. But that is the ultimate goal for every clean that I do, making every client super happy so that they aren't just one and done, but they are coming back over and over again. And at the end of the day, you know, that is the best thing, to make them happy. And I've done such a good job the first clean that it makes all these routine cleans so much more smoother. I know what I'm going to be getting into before I even get there. Stay tuned to the very end for the before and after photos and enjoy the clean. Windy Windows out. Also, one more thing, if you made it this far in the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It is the best way to support the work that I'm doing and get me to where I want to go with the sailboat and traveling the East Coast. Anyways, thanks again and enjoy the video.